Hi, I'm Silas and I'm here to present to you Genssh. Now, servers are very powerful in the hands of a master. However, in the hands of a new developer, they can be quite challenging to run and manage. And that's why I'm presenting to you Genssh. So Genssh is a Gemini 3 agent that lives in a terminal that you can chat with it via Telegram, and it can help you with anything development related, deploying an application, checking the status, and everything in between. Let me show you. Welcome back. Now I've already set up and installed Genssh from the public npm package, and I've also done the setup with the Gemini API key. You will need that. So we have three commands: cron, telegram, and chat, but we're only going to focus on the previous two because of time. So I've already set up my telegram chatbot, and you can easily set it up with the bot further as you're seeing on the screen, but I'm not going to do that because I've already done that. You have to either send the message or provide your username if it cannot detect automatically, but I've already done that. Now we also have a chat TUI, but we're only going to focus on the Telegram one because it's easy and more user friendly for beginning developers. You can see that it has some output there chatting to the TUI chat. Now for the demo, we're going to be using a pre-built application by Docker Samples. It's a URL shortener application, which I've already also cloned the repo to my GitHub, so you can see it there. So I'm going to ask first of all if Friday can be able to recognize that that application is there. It's in the project directory. So I'm going to do that so that we make sure that we are not hallucinating. So going to take a while, and you can see Friday has been able to locate the link shortener TypeScript project and also mention that it's a Docker application. So I'm going ahead to go and ask it to just to make sure it's not hallucinating, to confirm the contents of the README. So it's going to do that, and you can see it has actually reflected it's a Docker application, and it has been able to read. Now we're going to move on to deploying the application. Now, one thing to note, I realized that when using AI, almost all of them, they use docker-compose, which is duplicated for now. So I have to be specific to it, that to use docker compose, which is the new one. So let's wait for it's going to produce some output. It's going to need my approval. So on the chat UI, you just say approve, but here you have to provide the password. So I'm going to tell it use this as my sudo password. That is the password for the Friday user in the VPS. So we're going to wait for that. Yep, and you can see it's asking for the approval. It uses the password and it runs. It also confirmed that it has a Redis cache, which is true. The repo has some Redis in it. So you can confirm. I also want to confirm that the app is actually working. So there's a command there to run, shorten the URL. I'm going to tell it to run so that we can be able to confirm, taking some time. And then it responds, that is the hash that it has been shortened to. I'm going to go to the docs once again to get the what to run so as to confirm. So we are going to ping that URL and confirm that it's actually shortened. So just a moment. You can see that it's typing, and you can see that it has to return a 302 or 301, and you can see that that is what was returned. Thank you.